5 students. I am your teacher, Teacher Aprilyn, and I am your teacher in math subject. But before we start, in our topic for today, I want you to sit properly and listen. Class, do you want me to read a short story? Our short story is about Anna, Penny, and Veron. They are grade 5 students like you, class. Anna, Penny, and Veron are best friends. One day, they have an assignment in their math subject. Penny, are you done in our assignment? No, how about you? No, I'm not. I have an idea, Penny. How about you? Me and Veron are helping each other to do our assignments. Like it, let's go to Veron's house. Go! Hi, Veron! What are you doing here? We decided to make our assignments here in your house so we can help each other. Okay, that's a nice idea. By the way, do you know what measuring tools we will use in finding the circumference of a circular object? I don't have any idea. How about you, Veron? Me too. Let's watch in YouTube. Yes, that's a nice idea. The two of you listen carefully. Good morning, grade 5 students. I am Teacher April and I am your teacher in math subject. I want you to sit properly and listen carefully. Am I clear, class? Getting the circumference of a circular object is common in our life. We need it in determining the length of a ribbon to wrap around a bottle for gift giving, for instance. When you see a dressmaker or tailor, they may wrap a tape measure around your wrist to record its measure. They may also wrap a tape measure around your waistline to ensure that the skirt or pair of pants will fit your waist perfectly. These are done with the assumption that your waist and wrist are circular in shape. Tape measures are usually available from 6 feet to 33 feet in length, or about 1.2 meters to 10 meters. Most of the time, a tape measure is the appropriate tool to measure the circumference of a circular object because it can bend while measuring. If a tape measure is not available, we can measure the circumference of a circle by using a piece of string, strip of paper, ruler, or meter stick, depending upon the size of the circular object. These tools are the common measuring tools for length. If a circular object is small, you can use a piece of string or a strip of paper. The string must be long enough to wrap around the circle once. Find a place on the string that completes the loop, touching the end of the string that you started with. Use a pair of scissors to cut it at this point. Take the loop of string and measure it on a ruler or a caliper. The length of your string is the same as the circumference of the circle. You are familiar with rulers? There are readily available measuring tools to measure short length. They usually have ruled scales in centimeters, millimeters, or inches. Their length vary from 12 inches to 18 inches or from about 30 cm to 46 cm. A caliper can also be used to measure short lengths. If an object is big or wide, you can use a tape measure to wrap around the circular object. You may also use a piece of string to wrap around the circular object. Then, a meter stick or a laser tape measure can be used to measure the length of the string. Meter sticks are used to measure objects that are larger than a piece of paper. Their length can be 1 meter or 2 meters. They show ruled scales in centimeters and millimeters. Laser tape measures are suitable for short and long distance. They use optics and laser physics to give accurate measure. There are other advanced measuring tools can be used for long and short distances. With the advancement of our technology, smartphones are able to replace rulers, meter sticks, and tape measures. However, the advanced tools are most of the time expensive and use electricity. Rulers, meter sticks, and tape measure are readily available and require little maintenance. If we consider the size of a circular object and the appropriate tool to be used in measuring its circumference, the same is true with the unit of measure. The common units of measure used in measuring the circumference of a circle are meter, centimeter, millimeter, foot, yard, and inch. We commonly use the metric system like meters, centimeters, and millimeters. Other countries use the imperial system for their units of measurements like feet, yard, and inches. And that's the end of our topic for today. I hope you enjoy and I hope you gain a knowledge from me. Thank you for listening. Bye! Measuring tools that we need is meter stick, tape measure, ruler, paper string, or strip. But we have only one tape measure. That's okay. Me and Penny, we are using a paper strip and a piece of string and a ruler. Do you have ruler, Veron? Yes, but it is only one. That's okay, we can share. Class, do you like our short story for today? Okay, very good class. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoy. Bye grade 5!